Today we're going to be having a look at these. A very large and heavy box of 80 electronic musical lights by Pifco. And it plays 21 Christmas carols. This was one of the purchases alongside the Pifco Cinderella lights. I've never seen musical Pifco lights before. I love this old tree. Harkens back to the 80s, or maybe the early 90s. Apparently you can use these indoor and outdoor, but I would err on the side of caution and just play them on the indoors. They were reassuringly expensive, £25 way back when. They play 21 carols. It's 80 lights, set number 7363. We've got a nice garland, red background with some pears on it, interesting. Here are our particulars, and obviously they're going to be different because they're electronic lights. The distance from the transformer to the lights can be increased by the use of a Pifco extension cable, reference number 7853. I wonder if that still exists. This will date the lights. The phone number 061, not 0161.
Remember, all area codes starting O must start 01 from phone day this Sunday, the 16th of April.
The one day that it was called back in the day, where everybody's area code phone number got changed. I had to Google it off camera because I don't know. So that is the era that these lights are from, year or so before maybe. These lights run at 34 watts. Our Pifco spare bulb code is 7852. It says that this set must be protected by a 3-amp fuse. As for a music box, you select a sequence. Number 1, all the lights are on, static, no sound. Press once, you get the lights on, and they twinkle to the sound of the music with high volume, followed by low volume, followed by no volume, and then you press it again for a 5th time, it goes back to 1. So there's 4 modes for these lights. This box is very heavy, but it's only heavy on one side. You see how I'm balancing it on my hand all the way to the edge here. So the transformer is at this end, so let's have a little look inside the box. And these lights are brand new and they've never come out the box. You can still see the packing tape is still on there. The music box, I will flip the view for you. So you can see it gives you all of your program inputs, and it's a genuine Pifco box, and this is raised, it's not printed. Oh, we've got a plug which looks like it's got anti-tamper paint on it. It's a PMS plug. Never seen that before, but this is a unique set of lights, and because there's nothing really much to check, I mean, I might as well open the plug just to check everything is safe. And there you go, it's got its factory original plug. Cable grip is good. Everything is tight, so we'll leave that alone as is. It's the factory plug, factory fuse, specifically says 3-amp fuse, so just for once we'll leave the set alone. Not much to do now except for turning them on. Right, you ready? And they are very dim. They're colourful though. Turn the light off. They are really nice vivid colours. Only 4 colours. Green, blue, orange and red. But they are really nice and vivid. Can't really complain there. And if we carefully flip it over, yeah, we got a bank out. I'm going to dare say that this is just a loose bulb or something. The bulbs, very dinky little things. Oh, I think we found our problem. See that? Hopefully this fixes them. No, not yet. It's the only problem with these kind of lights where they have banks. It doesn't take much for them to fail. Fault finding was not very successful. Couldn't find the fault. But we're here to test the music and the lights. So we'll get back into position here. We'll do this. There's the lower volume. And there's no volume. Strangely enough, the lights do not go on and off. They pulse. I mean, would it save the bulbs a bit more if they weren't going on and off? It's all very interesting, but I'm just going to go off camera. I'm going to try and get these lights working, so bear with me. I don't have the specific bulbs for these. This was the closest one I could find, but it's a little bit too bright, so I'll be taking that out before I finish this video. The correct bulbs for this set are 1.5 volt, 0.3 watt. Very specific bulbs. Unfortunately, the only ones I could find on eBay are the actual genuine Pifco ones, and they're £7 for 4 bulbs, which is a little bit of a bitter pill to swallow, but I think I'll have to buy them so the set at least is sold in working order. And I've got other things like this, these random bulbs. I might try one of these and see if that's the correct one. You never know. Let's have a look. See, that takes out quite a fair chunk of the bulbs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. No, popped instantly. It was worth a laugh. Stick this one back in, because it's doing the job at the moment. That's it for that. But we got them working again. Super rare set. There is only one other set for sale at the moment, and it's on eBay for £35 plus. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed these lights. There is a 1 hour video of these lights. It'll either be out already or coming soon for your enjoyment. There are several others that are scheduled to come out on the channel. Hope you enjoy them. A little bit of ambient background for you. Anyway, I'll catch you all on the next one.